This is how you can rent a piece of equipment through the Cat Rental Store customer portal. After logging in into your account, select Rent Equipment from the main menu, or you can choose it from this yellow bar right here. We're going to put a list of all your existing job sites, but you can also type in one of your locations so you can find a dealer a little bit easier. Once you type in your location and you hit the search icon right here, we are going to take you to that particular dealer rental catalog. And then you can see every single piece of equipment that they offer on their rental fleet. So a quick example right here is if you're trying to rent some aerial equipment, you can find some boom lifts through this experience. You will be able to see your customer rates for this particular piece of machine. You can very easily add to your cart, select the date, any additional notes, and if you're ready to check out, you can do so. You can also add to a request and continue to browse for equipment. But let's just say you're ready to check out. You can click on checkout, or you can click on your cart right here. You have your estimated price. You can continue the request. And one of the cool things is that you can choose one of your existing job sites, or you can actually create a brand new job site in the process. But I'm just going to use one of the existing job sites that I have. I can put in a PO number in the process, add any additional notes, choose if I want transportation or not. And then down below, I have two options. I can either get a quote, if I'm trying to quote for a job, and I have a little bit more time, or I have the opportunity to click on renting out. The only difference between the two, if that renting out, the dealer will work on it a little bit faster, trying to find some options for you if they don't have that piece of equipment, or they're just going to get back to you immediately, trying to see what they can do for you in that regard. But if you're trying to rent the piece of equipment right now, you can just click on renting out, and we will send this immediately to the dealer. And that's how you rent a piece of equipment through the Cat Rental Store customer portal.